Yo, what's up, guys? RJ from Steady Trades. This time, we're going to be discussing how to utilize the replay feature up top here on TradingView. It's very beneficial, very beneficial for a new trader or even experienced trader to utilize the replay function to backtest. Excuse me, backtest a strategy or just to practice, in the off-peak hours and stuff. So weekends, maybe in the evenings, you're testing out some stuff and you want to see just how well what you're doing or your strategy or your technical analysis is playing out on the next day. So you're going to need a paid subscription to utilize the replay feature on TradingView. If you're on a free version, unfortunately they don't offer the replay feature to the free customers. If I could be mistaken, I'm about 95% sure you need a paid subscription to be able to utilize the replay function. So essentially what the replay function does is when you click it, and I click here, wherever I click, it's going to delete everything to the right of that line. So if I click right there, everything to that point is now gone. And we end up with this toolbar up here that we can control the speed with, slower. So we're getting one update every 3 seconds. And then we simply click play and we let things play out. Now, question you would have, let me speed this up for the sake of the video. So we see price action now starting to move. The question would beg, well, how would this help me if I already saw what was going to happen, right? Well, it's a great question, and I'll show you guys how I learned from the founder of Steady Trades, Steady Lynn himself, on how to utilize the replay function in a manner that will most definitely help you from a practice standpoint. So you click the X and you exit the replay mode. All right, and then we'll scroll to a place on a chart, doesn't matter where, we'll just stop here, whatever. And then so what we're going to do is, obviously, if we deleted any of this data here, we know exactly where the market's going. So what good would it do for me to delete this if I'm not going to be able to kind of be predictive in nature in terms of what happens next, right? So what you do is you click, first thing you'll do is, if you haven't watched my TradingView video, which is kind of the basics, the fundamentals of how to use TradingView, we'll link that video below. You guys check that one out so you can understand some of the more useful tools associated with TradingView. So the first thing you're going to do is click the price over here, right? We're going to drag this down and we're going to pancake the stock per se, right? So now the stock looks like a straight line. We have no idea which direction the stock is going. And I'll do it even better. I'll hide the price action and then we'll scroll back by clicking and dragging. And we'll just stop here. Doesn't matter where, you can stop wherever you like. And then you're going to want to click the replay button. And I'm going to scroll to the open of any particular day nearby here. So market opens at 8:30 for me. I'll click there. And then now I'm going to bring the price action right back into my screen and I'm going to blow things up to where I can see the price action again. Now I can see what's going on. And then if, let's say I wanted to practice here, let's just say I was practicing, my horizontal support and resistance, I would chart out whatever this looks like. I'm just kind of throwing some lines on the chart. Excuse me, nothing crazy. And then we'll slow this down up here and we'll click play and we'll watch what happens next. Make this a little bigger for us so we can see. We see the market open and push, reject here, get down to these lows, we break the lows. Pretty nice. And then you can speed this up. So if I wanted to view things a little bit quicker, speed the toolbar up here to every half second or so, and then you get to watch price action unfold to your levels, right? So as it goes, we can start to chart more levels if we need to. We know we have a nice level there. And just watch how price, plays. This is if you were just doing some horizontal support and resistance. You could add indicators. The indicators themselves will actually update with the replay mode as well. So if you were using like a MACD or an RSI, the MACD and the RSI would also update as you as price action progresses towards the future, right? Pretty useful tool. I still, even being a successful trader now, it's still a feature that I like to dabble with, a few times a week still, just to, kind of hone in, kind of practice and just back test some stuff and just watch price action. If you're a trader, you're probably, you're probably a junkie, you're into charts and stuff, you're into technical analysis. And this is a great way to, practice moving forward. So I think you should add it to your trading stable, right? However it is you like to practice, I think it's a great way. So that's basically it for the replay feature. Hope you guys liked the video. If you do, like it, comment, subscribe, and we have more content coming your way, guys. Thank you.